I'm Reto Meier. I'm head of the fraud management from Swisscom Switzerland. On the topic fraud management, on our side we understand the misuse, abuse of telecommunication products and also services, always with the goal to avoid cost, direct or indirect, or abuse them. The whole process is risk-based on our side. We do not have problems, we have risks on our side. The highest risk at the moment is outbound roaming fraud, subscription fraud, PBX and interconnection fraud. Each of them is increasing at the moment very fast, and it's absolutely a big risk for us. And these risks need effectively implementation of a very well fraud management process. Always with the target to make the customer side safe and also to reduce the revenue loss for the company itself. There are four absolutely important points for me. Point one is to have a big knowledge and to keep them up to date. The staff's elation for the job and also for fraud issues is key. Second point is to have a very good awareness inside the company itself and also in the top management. For me, fraud management is like a car insurance. If you don't have an event, then fraud department generate only costs. But if you have a case, then you are glad to have it. The third point is to have a very well international networking, which is based on trust and also on personal can. The fourth and final point is to have tools which assist you in the daily business work and make your work easier. To have suppliers which understand your business very well and work closely together with you as a telecommunication provider, and also on further product developments. My opinion is that there must be a switch from a normal customer-supplier relationship to a real partnership which has benefits for both of them. With the ROC FM solution, we have a system in use which allows us to manage fraud very powerfully. There are some different functions implemented which help us in detection and analysis fraud, actual and also further fraud cases. Subex is also willing to learn from us as a telecommunication provider with a big knowledge in fraud, and also willing to learn how the customer side is working to give these inputs direct to the Subex developing process. Subex is also willing to learn from the customers at how to develop products which fulfill customer requirements better in the future and keep best in class for now and also for the new world which is already growing up. Let's talk about the special risk reward share model which we have implemented together, Subex and Swisscom. In each company there are always discussions about financing a new system and how long it takes to get a return of invest. That was the reason why Swisscom analyzed some alternative financing models. Our idea was to generate a model which is based on KPI and generate a direct benefit not only for Swisscom but also for the supplier, and to switch from a customer-supplier relationship to a real partnership where both of them have the same interests and goals. At this point, the risk-reward share model is born. This model generates, on each fraud case which is detected by the system, a direct reward for Subex. The more fraud we detect, the more benefit will be generated for Subex and also for Swisscom. Swisscom is satisfied with Subex. Subex is a player in the market who is willing to understand the customer side and also to learn from them and to bring customer feedbacks direct to the product developing process. It's a very good collaboration between us. And I'm sure if this cooperation would be so fruitful, then in the past, the whole fraud management part will be benefit directly from this collaboration. There are three main points which Swisscom get from this partnership. Point one, Swisscom can generate a direct impact to the product developing process of Subex, and this is also visible in existing new functions from the fraud management system. Point two, Swisscom has an actual fraud management system in use, which is also ready for the future. Point three, the last benefit, but the main benefit for me, is a partnership with the market leader in fraud management part, which is not only based on hard facts, also on trust and on collaboration.